Now, what if I told you you could make consistent money in the car rental business without owning a single car? Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's not. In fact, brokering car rentals, whether economy cars or high-end luxury cars or exotics, is one of the most overlooked ways to build a profitable business in today's market. With the current repo crisis, people forcing more car owners to scramble to cover their car payments, and rental companies eager to fill their bookings, there's never been a better time to step in as a broker. You help car owners make money, you help renters find cars, and you take a cut of the profits. Win-win. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to succeed as a car rental broker. And by the end, you'll not only know how to source cars and manage rentals, but also how to scale this into a thriving business while avoiding the biggest pitfalls. So stick around, guys, and let's get into it. Hey guys, I'm Mike the Businessman, founder of MTB Car Rental Academy and MTB Exotics, one of the top exotic car rental companies in the Dallas area. And over the years, I've taught thousands of people how to launch and scale their own private car rental businesses. And today, I'm sharing one of the easiest ways to break into the industry without a big upfront payment, all right, or investment. Right now, the car rental market is changing fast. Repo rates are skyrocketing, and many car owners are desperate to cover their payments. At the same time, rental companies are struggling to keep up with demand for quality vehicles. That's where brokers come in, acting as the middleman between the car owners and the renters or the companies, and earning a percentage for every successful rental. All right, so let's dive right into it. So section number one, let's talk about it. What does a car rental broker even do? All right, so as a broker, your job is simple. Connect car owners who want to make money with renters or companies who need cars. All right, you handle the logistics, managing communication, and ensuring everyone gets what they need. And for your efforts, you take a cut of the profit, usually anywhere from 10% to 30% per booking. And here's why this model is so powerful. There's no ownership required. You don't need to buy, insure, or maintain cars yourself. Next, low upfront investment. A laptop and a phone and some networking skills are all you need to get started. Number three, it's scalable. You could broker multiple cars at once and build relationships with owners and renters to create a steady stream of income. Next section, let's talk about how to find cars to broker. All right, so first off is gonna be your economy cars, right? Economy cars are in high demand among gig workers and everyday drivers. And here's where to find them. Go reach out to friends and family. Ask if anyone has an idle car that they're willing to rent out. Position it as a way to earn extra income. A lot of people are struggling right now to make their car payments, or some just work from home and not using the car. They would happily let you rent their cars out in exchange for a profit split. Next place to look is Facebook Marketplace. Look for listings that have been listed on cars listed for sale for weeks. These owners are desperate now and they're willing to rent their vehicles out while they're waiting for a buyer. Start up a conversation with them, letting them know who you are and what you do and what value you could add. But before you do this though, guys, make sure your Facebook profile is actually professional and optimized and not looking all mysterious or ghetto. If you're one of those people with no profile picture, fake names on their profile, or you have a lot of immature stuff on your profile, most likely you're not gonna get any responses, all right? Local forums. Post ads on Facebook Marketplace, on the Nextdoor app, or Craigslist, offering to help turn idle cars into revenue streams, all right? Next niche is gonna be like the luxury and exotic cars, all right? So let's talk about the big earners, the luxury and exotic big boys. These vehicles attract high-paying customers, right? And special event clients. And here's how to source them. Go to car enthusiast groups, all right? Join local car clubs, car meetups, and online forums where these car owners normally hang out. Offer to broker rentals as a way for them to offset their car payments. Go to high-end neighborhoods, go network, go target affluent areas, and go network with people. Run ads in those areas, offering this amazing passive income opportunity for them. Repo and struggling owners. With the repo crisis in full swing, some exotic car owners are struggling to make their payments. Approach these owners with a win-win proposition. You rent out their car temporarily to generate income while they work on selling the car. Both parties win. Now that you guys have gotten a list of cars that you guys can broker out, let's talk about how to protect these vehicles and build trust with owners and renters. Section 3, we're gonna be talking about risk management, all right? So protecting the cars while you're a broker, as a broker, is critical. Owners are trusting you with their valuable assets, and renters need to feel secure that they're dealing with a professional company, all right? So here's how to manage risk effectively. Number one, you gotta install your GPS trackers, all right? Always ensure that each car is equipped with a GPS tracker. For high-end cars, you also wanna consider making sure that there's a kill switch in there for added security, all right? Gotta make sure that these cars have comprehensive insurance. Economy cars can be covered with standard commercial rental insurance policies. All right, for luxury cars, go for policies tailored to exotic vehicles to cover theft, damage, and liability. So you gotta have professional airtight rental agreements, all right? Have every transaction backed by a watertight rental agreement that's been vetted by a lawyer. This should cover responsibilities and profit splits and liability terms. If you guys don't know about this, check my video before that I dropped on how to structure your rental agreement. All right. Next, you need to have a strict vetting process. Always vet your renters before approving bookings. Check their driving record, their insurance, and even their credit if possible. All right. For brokering partnerships with rental companies, if you're sending renters to any rental company for a profit split, only send qualified renters. All right, sending bad deals will damage your relationship with the company and they'll stop working with you. Section 4, networking with other brokers and other companies. All right, now this is a pro tip for you guys. Don't work in isolation. All right, networking with other brokers and other car rental companies can open up huge opportunities for growth. You want to partner with, build relationships with brokers who manage different types of cars. All right, for example, you can send luxury renters to a broker specializing in exotics and take a referral fee. You can collaborate with rental companies. All right, many of them open up to partnerships. If you can bring them vetted customers, reach out to local companies and negotiate a profit split for every booking you send their way. But remember, guys, your reputation is everything. All right, if you send a bunch of unqualified or risky renters, those companies won't trust you. All right, always maintain high standards and a professional approach. So section number 5, marketing your brokerage business. All right, so once you have your cars to broker, it's time to go find these renters. All right, so here's how you manage that process and how you market effectively. For economy cars, you want to go to these gig economy gig worker platforms. Partner with Uber, Lyft, and DoorDash drivers who need affordable, reliable vehicles. All right, local ads. Use Facebook and Google ads to target renters in your area. Peer-to-peer platforms. List your cars on platforms like Turo or Hire Car to tap into a ready-made customer base. All right, for your luxury and exotic cars, you want to reach out to event coordinators, partner with hotels and wedding planners and photographers and videographers and nightclub owners, event organizers. All right, to offer luxury rentals for special occasions. For social media showcases, right? You use your Instagram and TikTok to create eye-catching content featuring these luxury cars in high-end settings, right? Word of mouth, build a reputation in your city as the go-to broker for exotic rentals. That's how you get your name out there. Now that you're set up for success, let's talk about scaling your operation into a profitable business that runs like a machine. Section number 6, we're going to be talking about scaling your car rental brokerage. All right, so as your business grows, here's how you guys can scale it effectively. All right, first off, you want to do is expand your car network. All right, keep sourcing more cars, especially in underserved areas. Right, offer incentives for owners with multiple cars. Maybe you can reduce your percentage. All right, team up with other brokers and other car rental companies in your area. Some cities have car rental broker WhatsApp groups. You just need to hustle to get noticed, and then you get plugged into those groups. All right, then you want to start automating your operations. All right, you won't be doing this with paper and pen. All right, you got to use rental management software like Finesse.com to handle your bookings and payments and communication with your renters. Then you want to build a team. All right, hire virtual assistants or local staff to manage administrative tasks so that you can free you up to focus on growth and networking. Then at that point, you can start to expand geographically. All right, once you've dominated your local market, consider brokering in cars in other cities or other states. Partner with brokers or companies in those areas to get started. I know brokers in my city that got connects in Miami and got connects in California and are still making money in different coasts. So that's where you want to get to. So guys, if you're serious about becoming a car rental broker, you cannot start and expect someone to hand over the keys to their Lamborghini to someone that doesn't have any knowledge or experience. All right, it's just not going to happen. All right, you don't need that liability. All right, you need to learn the game inside and out and have the confidence to manage people's expensive cars. All right, if you want to skip the trial and error, if you want to learn how to do this properly, join my $49 a month community today. Inside of this community, you guys are going to get step-by-step guidance on how to source your cars, how to market, and how to manage rentals. All right, you're going to get inside tips for brokering, luxury and exotic cars. You're going to get access to a network of like-minded entrepreneurs, and we have periodic live Q&A sessions that you guys can join to learn. So guys, click the link below to join, and let's help you build your car rental business together. Spots are limited, guys, so don't wait. It's a Black Friday special, so price is going up to $97 here soon. We have over 600 people in the community, so make sure you join as soon as possible. And remember, guys, success in the car rental business isn't about owning cars, it's about owning the process. So take the first step today and start building your future. So guys, if you enjoyed this video and all the free game that I just dropped, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel just to show your support, and drop your comments and questions below. I'd love to hear from you guys. Once again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the inside of the community.